Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer. Been working on a brand new build. This is a Vanquish H10 kit that I use my Bamboo Lab P2S, and with Night Customs bought the Terra Recon body Jeep, and guys, it came out amazing. There's their emblem. And yeah, I'm using the J Concepts Tusk 2.2 tires. The wheels are Endura, using Desert Insert 100 millimeter shocks and a Reefs 500 raw front servo. Thing came out amazing. Got the details, the ducks. I got my had another spider logo, and then if you open up the hood, yeah, it's even got an engine in it. Looks pretty good. Got lights front and rear. Got this aluminum fuel tank just for looks from Amazon. All right, this is the Maiden Run for the Vanquish H10 optic with I fully printed the Terra kit on here, so looks a little different, but it looks awesome. So first run, let's take her for a run. This is going to be easy, should be easy for this little track. This is my 24th scale track. So far, I like the truck. It's my first Vanquish truck. I sold my Capra a while back, so I don't have that anymore. So this is the only 1/10 truck I own right now. So it's going to be more of a trail truck than anything. It's not going to be a super crawler. But might as well try to go over some rocks with it. There we go. There we go. We'll go over that high side one time. On the other side, see how it goes, and then we'll just do a trail run a little bit and call it good. All right, this is where I want to just try this. Right here, up this little bit. Up this steep section right here. See how well she does. Oh yeah. Wow, plenty of clearance so far. Tires are trying to grab in the rear. Here we go. Had a little bit of bottoming out. All right. All right, go up the stump. This is what I got for full throttle. It can go much faster, but I toned it down. All right, that's good for now. Gonna be taking on some rocks in a few weeks when I get up to New Hampshire on my vacation. So if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll have plenty more video of this truck. And again, thanks for watching.